put oil in the pan. Just like that. You see the oil? Now, let's crack the eggs. Damn. The shell, you just throw that away. Now, the second egg. And another egg. All the eggs, Lord. All protein. And this is the kind of eggs I'm using. These are called Always Fresh 24 eggs, and it's grade A. Now, this is what the eggs look like. They're cooking. It was clear, now the eggs are getting cooked. They're white. What do you think? Don't they look delicious? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the eggs. Do my best. See? Okay? Just get the egg, flip it. Just like that. Make sure they're well cooked though. That's what they look like. Aren't they delicious? You can also add turkey or ham right on top of it. I usually add turkey or chicken ham or turkey ham. It's way better. Alright? So that's what they look like. You want to see what they look like from the bottom? Well, that's what they look like. Oh Lord, look at that. Oh well, just put this on the side. It's already cooked.